Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best electric nose suction device for babies, the GROWNSY Nasal Aspirator for Baby. If you're a parent or caregiver, you know how distressing it can be to see a little one struggling with nasal congestion. That's where this innovative tool comes in, designed specifically to make the process of clearing your baby's nose safe, effective, and even a little soothing. The GROWNSY Nasal Aspirator stands out with its patented protection mode, a feature developed with input from pediatric end specialists. This mode ensures that if the suction port becomes completely blocked during use, the device automatically stops working. This important safety feature protects the delicate nasal cavities of newborns from any potential damage. Alongside safety, the aspirator includes 3 food-grade silicone tips made from soft, flexible material, making it gentle and comfortable on your baby's sensitive nasal lining. What really makes this aspirator effective is its adjustable suction levels. There are 3 levels of suction power, allowing you to customize the strength based on your baby's needs, whether it's clearing light mucus or more stubborn congestion. To help with particularly tough boogers, it's recommended to use a saline spray beforehand, allowing the mucus to soften and making suction easier and gentler. This aspirator is designed to quickly and efficiently remove fluid or dry mucus, giving your baby immediate relief and helping them breathe easier. One feature parents will appreciate is the quiet motor. Unlike some noisy devices, the GROWNSY aspirator runs so quietly that it barely disturbs your baby, reducing fussiness during use. It also includes soothing music and a gentle light function, which can distract and calm your baby while you clean their nose. This thoughtful design makes the whole experience less stressful for both the baby and the parent. From a practical standpoint, the device is easy to clean. The suction chamber is transparent and removable, allowing you to rinse it thoroughly with warm soapy water. This means you don't have to keep buying replacement filters, saving money and reducing waste. However, it's important to note that the aspirator itself is not waterproof, so care should be taken during cleaning. Another convenience is the USB rechargeable battery. Once fully charged, the device can last up to 30 days on a single charge, which is great for busy parents and families on the go. It also comes with a travel case, making it easy to pack up and bring along wherever you need to go. In terms of build, the aspirator is made from durable acrylonitrile butadiene styrene, or ABS, a strong yet lightweight plastic. The device is compact, measuring just over 6.5 inches in height and around 2 inches wide, making it easy to handle during use. Overall, the GROWNSY Nasal Aspirator combines thoughtful safety features, effective suction power, and soothing elements to create a product that makes nose clearing a much easier task. Whether you are a new parent or looking for an upgrade to your current nasal aspirator, this device offers a great balance of innovation and practicality. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more honest product reviews. See you next time.